Okay, so this is an actual outline of the ridge on which the sliding hatch fits. This where it's 2 inches, 2 and 7/16. That's the rail section. Down here, you'll see the deck. So this is the part I made that would go on the rail. So it's two rail sections. Let's see. So this actually laid on top of here, 2 and 7/16. So that's approximately that width there, and then it lifts up to the top of the ridge, which from the inside of the companionway to the outside of that ridge is 7/8, and then on the bottom, because it's a little wider on the bottom. So all the way from the inside of the companionway to this edge is 3 1/4. And I measured 53 inches and 3/4 from the sole of the boat to the top of this ridge. And let's see here. Also, did an outline of the distance, the companionway opening. This is actually, I traced it and cut it out. And from the sole of the boat to the top of that ridge, to the top of this ridge right here, is 53 1/4 inches, and then in the center line is 54 1/2. So that kind of helps us know sort of the circumference there, or I don't know. So I don't know how well this is helping you. So I got both sides. On this side, this is the starboard side. Some of the pictures, I scratched them out. It's a little more clean on this side. The measurements are the same. So I hope this helps. Again, my plan was to put this. It would be like potentially. Oh, here. Yeah, it would be potentially the width of this curvature, and the top would be able to slide across. So I'll also send some pictures of the actual boat, but I thought these measurements might be, when you started talking about CAD drawings and stuff, I said, oh no, I gotta get these measurements. So that's 1 1/8. That's 7/8. It's wider on the bottom just by I guess 2/8 is a quarter. So wider on the bottom, narrow on the top. All the way from the inside of the companionway to this edge is 3 1/4 inch. And then the rail from here to here, 2 and 7/16. This is your decking, and then it curves down to the hull of the boat. All right. Listen, I don't know how well this helps, but this is what I tried to do. Now, what I didn't do, I don't actually have a measurement. I could go on the boat and measure the distance. My plan was to take balsa wood and place it over here, attach it, and then fiberglass the whole thing, which that's where I am. We can kind of talk about the plan, but I'm sure you'll have questions, and I'm open to doing what I can. Thanks. Bye.